Hi, and welcome to Stockyard Lane. These are my short clips. Today's episode is about scatter planting. Yes, you heard me right, it's scatter planting. WTF? What is scatter planting? It's a made-up word that equates to, well, being lazy. So, let's go! So today, we got a whole lot of seeds, and we've got onions and capsicums and squash and watermelons and cantaloupes and flowers and corn and beetroot and tomatoes and you name it, we've got it. And the process was pretty simple. We emptied all the seeds. Some were from Bunnings, some were from Diggers Club, some were from even the Gippsland seed library. And we poured them all into a pot. This wasn't a small process because we had a lot. Look at them fall. Here's the corn. And along the way we found a couple of seed packets that had pre-plant strips in them. That's okay, we'll throw them in too and we'll figure it out when we get up there. Then picked up the seeds and I shook them. Shook 'em hard, shook 'em long. Once the seeds were prepared, we headed out and started shoveling dirt. First dirt we got was just soil we found laying around the property. It was a mixture of leaves, dirt, sticks and stuff. So we shoveled some of that into the wheelbarrow. Then we headed up the hill where the compost lives. The compost consists currently of horse poo, cow poo, sheep poo, and a little bit of old grass and stuff. So we shoveled that in too. Now for a sideline. My wife's garden. My wife's garden is a very pretty garden. It's a garden that follows rules. It's a garden that is in lines. It's a garden that has a huge array of stuff from spinach and broccoli and cabbage and coriander and parsley and you name it, it's in there. Any sort of winter vegetable at the moment. But it's a lot of work to keep it pretty looking like that, whereas I'm not quite that way inclined. I'd rather just chuck it in. So back at the task at hand. The boys weeded for about 5 minutes. There was a few bits of grass sticking through, so we thought we'd better get rid of them. Sounded good. Then we shoveled in the top of the barrow, spreading it out evenly across the area. Once the compost had been spread across evenly, we threw on the topsoil. Then it was planting time. Well, chucking seeds all over the place anyway. Then we were posed with the issue of these silly looking strap seeds things. So what did we do with them? We ripped them up and threw them all over the garden. It looked like Halloween had come early. There was teepee all over the place. Then to top it off, we used a bit of mushroom compost. Composed of straw, wood shavings, aged manures, gypsum, a little limestone. Mushroom compost is a really good way to get a garden going. I hope. Well, that's what my wife said, so I thought I'd better throw some in. last but not least, it's watering time. Oh, look at the pretty rainbow. Hopefully something special happens at the end of the rainbow. Nah, that's just dumb. Hope you enjoyed it. You'll come back now.